how to add or remove the S Pen Air Command shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on the S Pen, then tap on Air Command. Now in here, go down and tap on shortcuts. Then to add in a feature or a shortcut, simply tap on it. So tap on camera, Canva, or domain app here, or whatever app that you want to add to your shortcut, you can do so. So Gmail, for example. So here I can add in internet, Microsoft 365, Copilot, and that's it. So the maximum that you can have is 10 shortcuts, and that's it. So now we have added, and after that you can tap on the back key to remove a shortcut. You can go into the shortcuts and then tap on the remove button to remove it. And that's it. So that is how you can remove the S Pen Air Command shortcut. And that's it. So here we can copy down. You can also add it from here as well. So here, then we can tap on the add button. This will take us directly to the shortcut to add in additional shortcuts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.